Welcome to our channel. If you have the Chase Sapphire Reserve credit card and want to maximize its premium benefits, follow these step-by-step instructions to take full advantage of what this card offers. Step 1. Activate your annual travel credit by using your Chase Sapphire Reserve card to pay for eligible travel purchases. You'll automatically receive a $300 statement credit each account anniversary year for travel expenses. Step 2. Access Priority Pass lounges by enrolling in Priority Pass Select. Visit the Chase website, log into your account, and navigate to the Card Benefits section to register for complimentary airport lounge access worldwide. Step 3. Use your Chase Ultimate Rewards points strategically by transferring them to Chase's travel partners for maximum value, or redeem them through the Chase Travel Portal where they're worth 50% more. Step 4. Activate your DoorDash Dash Pass benefit by visiting the Chase Benefits page and following the enrollment link. This provides complimentary Dash Pass membership with 0 delivery fees on eligible orders. Step 5. Take advantage of trip delay and cancellation protection by paying for your travel with the card. If your trip is delayed or canceled, you may be reimbursed for expenses like meals and lodging. Step 6. Use the card's primary rental car insurance by declining the rental company's insurance and paying for the rental with your Sapphire Reserve card. This can save you significant money on rental coverage. Step 7. Access luxury hotel benefits through the Luxury Hotel Collection by booking hotels through Chase's Travel Portal to receive room upgrades, complimentary breakfast, and resort credits. Step 8. Maximize your earning potential by using the card for travel and dining purchases, where you earn 3 points per dollar spent, and use your Global Entry or TSA PreCheck credit for expedited airport security. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.